What's up guys, I'm Sai, and in this POV video we're gonna go and collect my Talaria from the basement. We're gonna avoid the obstacle courses in tight spaces, and we're gonna go and do a top speed run. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the end. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this content, like, share, subscribe, and there's more content coming, and I'll see you in the next video. As well as there's a new e-moto that's coming out, guys. It is really looking really cool. It's looking like a proper dirt bike. It's looking like the stock VARC, and I'm really excited to get my hands on it. But the problem is that if I decide to get that bike, I'll have to trade my Talaria back in. So really sad to see this go, but I'm not sure. I still kind of want to play around with the XXX more. But as soon as I'm tired of the street, it's going to be time to go onto the dirt. And when it's time to go onto the dirt, I need to trade these bikes in, guys. And if those of you who are wondering, yeah, I got a new helmet. It is the ADV MX4 something, okay? It's from LS. It's from LS2, and it's their Adventure series. It's their ADV series. So I like this helmet. It's really cool. Okay, we got this visor here. This also comes out, so I could have just glasses if I wanted to. And it's got a drop-down visor here. So I'll be doing a review on this helmet as well. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.